Hey everybody, back at Universal finally for a vlog update. Sorry it's been a while. I had a computer that wasn't quite working for a while, or actually it was gone completely because it was being replaced. And since June, every day by the time I finished work, it was a thunderstorm outside and dark, and this camera isn't waterproof. So I'm going to give you an update. I know a lot of people have been shooting in Hogsmeade for Hagrid's Magical Creatures Motorbike Adventure, and I haven't because everybody else has. So thank you for asking for me to go in and you want to watch my videos. And the other thing is I am finally entering my road reel, which is one of the reasons I have this microphone. I wanted to test it out, see if the audio is better than the one in my camera, and record a little bit of behind the scenes all at the same time because I do everything myself. So we're going to look around Universal Studios for a little bit and then head over to Islands of Adventure. But as you can see, I'm giving you the updates on the wait times. It's a little bit later in the day because I had to work this morning. This is the former Terminator 2 3D, once called Terminator 2 3D Battle Across Time. It now, as you can see, has walls outside as they're going to soon build the new facade for whatever's going in here. And when I say I don't know what it is, I honestly don't. I don't have information I just can't give you. There's some rumors out there. That's the best I have. I just hope it's really good because I really liked this attraction before, but it needed either a major update because the mechanical elements weren't working properly, or just what's happening is there's going to be a brand new show. That's all they've really officially announced, is there's going to be a show. Looks like Schwab's Pharmacy is open. Don't forget that Universal does now have Dole Whip here in Schwab's. I believe Schwab's is the only place that sells it on property right now. So for the only place I've seen it. So I'm shooting this on June 21st, the first official day of summer. I can't believe it's almost the end of June. So, having said that it's the first day of summer, any time of the year, but especially now, anywhere you see one of these soda fountains in either park, and also it includes Volcano Bay, you can go up and get a cup of ice water. So if you're thinking, ooh, I want to go to a water fountain so I can get free water, you can also get free water here, City Walk, Islands of Adventure, Volcano Bay. Just ask. Oh yes, I also forgot to show you my cup, formerly full of water, now it's just ice. This is what they will give you. Not every single place that serves beverages has this, but a lot of them do. I think I mentioned this last time. I set up my tripod and was ready for this to start, and then, well, Superstar was going on. I was like, I'll come back and show you. I never did. During the day, there are mini shows that happen in the lagoon where the water sprays, a bit like Universal's Cinematic Celebration, but it's only music and water. After Superstar, it will start. I'm going to try to remember to shoot it this time. So we transitioned from a free cold beverage to a not so free cold beverage here in Diagon Alley. I'm going to get some butterbeer, and then I'm going to flip this mic around and show you a little bit of Superstar because I haven't shown it yet in a while. And also I'm a little curious to see how well this picks up sound. I'm not going to talk too much about the microphone. I'm going to talk about this microphone more on my new channel, Dave Tech. Hopefully it's going to be down in the description. So check that out if you're interested. At least share it. It's a brand new channel, and I have all of 2 subscribers right now. Thank you for the 2 who subscribed. But enough of that. Let's go in and, well, I'm going to go in and grab a butterbeer. You are just watching a video. Unfortunately, I can't hand you a butterbeer through the screen. I would, but I can't. Well, I flipped it around to show you the dragon, the fire from the dragon, but it doesn't seem to be going right now. Well, I'll put it in a little bit later if it goes off. But it should be every 10 minutes on the 10s, generally. Let's catch a little bit of the show.
At twilight, in time, the brothers reached a river too treacherous to pass, but being learned in the magical arts, they simply waved their wands across, however, they found their path blocked by a hooded figure. It was Death, and he felt cheated because travelers usually drowned in the river. But Death was coming. He pretended to congratulate the three brothers upon their magic and said that each had earned a prize for having been clever enough to evade him.
Over here in San Francisco, outside of, well, near Richtersburg, is an area of walls that used to go all the way over here. It's still up. If you're looking for the smoking area here, it is closed for now. There is a smoking area over by Fear Factor, which is not open during early park admission, if you're wondering. And there is one over here by Louis. So once these walls go down, there should be a smoking area here, but for right now, there is not. Oh, also, if you are coming to Universal and you're thinking, okay, well, I don't need to find a smoking area because I smoke an e-cigarette, vape, whatever, it's considered the same thing here. It's almost 7 o'clock. Let's catch a little bit of the parade. Oh, also, I'm not going to be showing you the Endless Summer Resort because it's opening on Thursday. I'll be there. While I'm waiting for the Superstar Parade, I decided to try the Strawberry Frappuccino. If you've ever had liquid antibiotics, it's kind of how it tastes. As I think I was drinking it, like, this doesn't really taste like strawberry. What does it remind me of? Oh yes, that. Well, the first and the last. Unless I forget and order again, which I do a lot. Before we head into Islands of Adventure, I just wanted to point out that there are some new banners out here. And as you're leaving Islands of Adventure, it says the journey continues. Well, I finally made it to Islands of Adventure, but it's actually the next day because I had yet another GoPro malfunction. It stopped recording. I was hitting record and it was just writing little files that weren't playable. I have so many problems with GoPro cameras. So, enough stalling, as Gru says. Let's go to Hogsmeade. Well, okay, I guess there's one more stop before we get to Hogsmeade, and that is Jurassic Park. I don't know what they're doing here, but it's a significant change. There are a lot of trees that are no longer visible. And these walls seem to be closing in. Not really, but they are covering a lot more than they were originally. So whatever it is, who knows? Maybe they're just planting new trees. I don't know. But whatever it is, it's a pretty significant project. I can say that because there are a lot of walls up that weren't here before. So it is a pretty significant project. Also over here near the Discovery Center is the recently also by the Discovery Center is the recently relocated Vacation Information Center. And you might think, well, I'm not really looking for information about my vacation, but what you might not know is this is also a remote guest service location. So if you need anything from guest services, you can also come here. Again, this is a new location that used to not be here. That's JP23, not D23. Now, are we going to enter Hogsmeade this way? No! Let's go on the newly opened Temp Bridge 2. Now with walls. Now, I don't know what this is going to look like when it's finished, but the original Temp Bridge had sort of an arch opening. And it was built originally, I believe, to let people get through without having to go all the way around when they were building Hogsmeade. But this is also a great way to have a shortcut to Jurassic Park from the Lost Continent. Never did show you the original Temp Bridge, but it's very similar to this one. Speaking of temp, I think these walls might be temporary, but I don't know how long. But this is how you can get straight to the Lost Continent, or if you're in the Lost Continent, you can get straight to Jurassic Park. And once you're in Jurassic Park, you can go to Skull Island, Reign of Kong, and Toon Lagoon, and Marvel Superhero Island, Port Adventure. It's just one big loop. But this is a faster way instead of going through Hogsmeade, which could be very crowded at this time of the year. Or just pretty much any time of the year, really. Because it's popular. Now I'm going to show you the entrance to the greeter for Hagrid's Magical Creatures Motorbike Adventure, but over here near the former 8th Voyage of Sinbad is probably where you'll go for the queue if it's earlier in the day. Oh yes, well I'm still here. If you are coming to ride Hagrid's Magical Creatures Motorbike Adventure, or you're just going through sorry, if you're just going through Lost Continent, I was laughing because the person right over there is doing what I'm about to talk about. This is not the smoking area, despite what it says on the map. I'll show you where it is in a moment. The person who's vaping over there should not be doing that. As you walk in through Islands of Adventure, you'll pass Mythos Restaurant, awarded World's Best Theme Park Restaurant many years in a row. But the important thing is, if you're walking in or if you're in line, what you want to do is continue away from the Wizarding World just for a moment. Near the entrance to the land on the Seuss Landing side, you'll see this walkway. What you're doing is you're going behind the Mythos Restaurant. Oops, my mistake, it's actually over here. It was probably moved because, well, it is right by the outdoor seating area, so walk from out there, and here is the new smoking area for now. I do anticipate this going back to where it shows you on the map as soon as the extended queues are no longer needed for Hagrid's. Alright, here it is. Now this is where the lockers were for Dueling Dragons and later Dragon Challenge. And here it is. Here is the greeter for Hagrid's Magical Creatures Motorbike Adventure. Right now, 180-minute wait. And also, just so you know, before the attraction opens in midday, which again is when they're ready, we honestly don't know until the ride is ready exactly when it's going to open. Obviously they open it as soon as it's ready, so if it hasn't opened yet, we don't have a wait time. But let's go take a look at the other lockers. This is a brand new area of lockers. This used to not be lockers, but because of the popularity of the ride, they knew before it even opened it would be popular, they added more lockers. And you can see these are all unused right now. Now don't forget, the medium and large lockers are not going to be free while you're riding. And don't forget, if you have any questions or concerns about how the seats are, if you'll be comfortable in them, there is always a test seat outside of every attraction. And well, pretty much every theme park. This is not an exception. And because it's 180 minutes, right now, I will not be going through the queue. I do want to do that, but sorry, I'm way behind on editing, so I don't have the time. So if you're wondering, as I had been in the past, where the Hagrid's Magical Creature Motorbike Adventure exits from, here is a look at the Google Maps view, obviously taken when the attraction was still under construction. Back out here to my view, not the street view. If you walk back this way, this is where the attraction exits. Looks pretty amazing from back here. But be careful. These are a little spiky. Alright, finally remembered to come here after the parade to watch the fountain show, and apparently it doesn't happen after the Superstar parade anymore, now that the parade steps off at 7 instead of 5. That's my luck. I finally remember and it doesn't happen. Alright, well the theme of this vlog is, oh yeah, I also forgot and I need to show you. That is this, the walls are down around Big Fire. I know that's been a little while, but it's been a little while since we've been here, so sorry about that. Before I even finished editing the video you're watching, Big Fire suddenly just opened. There's a lot to show you here, so I'm just going to put this as a separate video. I'm going to be posting that next. On with this update video. Here we are at the pedestrian crosswalk, and it has looked like it should open really soon, for quite a while. I don't know, maybe they've taken a break from constructing it for a little bit. Maybe they're waiting for some materials, I don't know. But as soon as I notice that it's open, I will come back and show you, and just to prove again how not open it is. Yeah, they're pretty serious about that, aren't they? If you have not checked out my Dave Tech channel, I'm going to try to put the link in the description below. Please like this video, please share that link and this video. And you might be wondering exactly where is this? And, of course, as always, thanks for watching this video all the way through, and please exit through the gift shop. And I'm going to leave you with a little bit more Superstar.